Welcome to Module 7, where we explore task scheduling and workflows using Google Cloud Tasks. This comprehensive module will demonstrate how Cloud Tasks manages background jobs efficiently through animated visualizations of task queues and retry mechanisms. Cloud Tasks is a fully managed Google Cloud service designed for asynchronous task execution. This powerful service significantly improves application responsiveness and enhances user experience by efficiently managing background operations. Traditional synchronous processing requires users to wait for all operations to complete sequentially. In contrast, asynchronous processing with Cloud Tasks allows applications to respond immediately while delegating time-consuming operations to background tasks. Cloud Tasks manages three fundamental aspects of distributed task processing. First, it handles task dispatch by queuing tasks for execution. Second, it manages delivery by routing tasks to appropriate workers. Finally, it oversees execution by processing distributed tasks across your infrastructure. The implementation of Cloud Tasks provides several critical benefits for modern applications. It enhances application responsiveness by offloading heavy operations, improves user experience through seamless background processing, enables scalable distributed task management, and ensures reliable task execution with built-in retry mechanisms. In the following sections, we will explore the detailed mechanics of Cloud Tasks, including queue management, task execution workflows, retry strategies, and integration patterns with other Google Cloud services. Cloud Tasks is a powerful service that fundamentally changes how applications handle time-consuming operations. Instead of forcing users to wait for lengthy processes, Cloud Tasks enables you to offload these operations and process them in the background. When a user makes a request to your application, traditionally all processing would happen synchronously. This means the user must wait for every operation to complete before receiving a response. In synchronous processing, heavy operations like database updates, email sending, and report generation all execute in sequence. The user must wait for each task to complete, leading to poor responsiveness and frustrated users. Cloud Tasks provides an elegant solution by introducing asynchronous processing. Instead of executing heavy tasks immediately, your application quickly adds them to a task queue and responds to the user instantly. The main application immediately offloads time-consuming tasks to Cloud Tasks, which queues them for background processing. This allows your application to respond to users instantly, dramatically improving the user experience. Meanwhile, Cloud Tasks processes these queued tasks in the background. Database updates, email sending, and report generation all happen asynchronously without impacting user response times. This asynchronous approach provides several critical benefits for modern applications. Let's examine how Cloud Tasks transforms application performance and user experience. First, improved responsiveness means users receive immediate feedback instead of waiting for lengthy operations. Second, reduced application load allows your main service to handle more concurrent users. Third, enhanced scalability enables independent scaling of background processing capacity. Cloud Tasks excels at handling specific types of background operations that are common in modern applications. These use cases demonstrate the practical value of asynchronous task processing. Database operations like bulk updates and migrations can be processed in the background without blocking user interactions. Email and notification sending benefits from asynchronous processing to handle large volumes efficiently. Report generation, which often involves complex calculations, can run independently while users continue working. By implementing Cloud Tasks for background job management, applications transform from slow blocking operations to responsive, scalable systems. This architectural pattern is essential for modern cloud applications that need to handle high user loads while maintaining excellent performance. Cloud Tasks operates on a fundamental queue and task model that forms the backbone of asynchronous task processing. Understanding this model is essential for effective task management. The queue serves as a persistent storage mechanism that maintains tasks in a first-in, first-out order. Tasks enter the queue and remain there until they are successfully processed. Tasks are added to the queue programmatically. Each task enters the queue and waits for processing while maintaining its position in the sequence. Now let's examine the internal structure of a task. Each task consists of three essential components that define its identity and behavior. The first component is the unique name, which serves as a distinct identifier for each task within the system. This ensures no two tasks can have the same identity. The second component contains configuration information, including execution parameters and scheduling details that control how and when the task should be processed. The third component is the optional payload, which contains data from the initial request. This payload carries the actual work instructions for the task. When tasks include payloads, they utilize specific HTTP methods for data transmission. Let's examine how this works in practice. Tasks with payloads typically use POST methods to create new tasks, sending the payload data within the HTTP request body to the task handler. PUT methods are used when updating existing tasks with modified payload data, ensuring the task handler receives the updated information. The queue and task model provides a robust foundation for cloud tasks, ensuring reliable task persistence, structured data organization, and efficient HTTP-based communication between services. The cloud tasks workflow follows a precise sequence of steps. We begin by examining how tasks move through the system from creation to completion. Step 1. A task is created programmatically within the application. This task contains the necessary data and configuration for processing. Step 2. The task is added to the queue. The queue acts as a persistent storage mechanism, ensuring tasks are not lost even during system failures. Step 3. The Cloud Tasks service acknowledges receipt of the task. This acknowledgement confirms that the task has been successfully written to Cloud Tasks storage. Step 4. The task is passed from the queue to an available worker. The Cloud Tasks service manages this distribution automatically. Step 5. The worker processes the task. During this phase, the worker executes the required operations defined in the task payload. Step 6. Upon successful completion, the worker returns a 2xx success status code to the Cloud Tasks service. This confirms that the task has been processed successfully. The sequence is now complete. The task has successfully moved through the entire workflow, from creation to in-queuing, acknowledgement, processing, and final completion confirmation. This workflow ensures reliable task execution with proper acknowledgements at each step, providing visibility and control over the entire process. Cloud Tasks provides a robust retry mechanism that automatically handles task failures. When a task fails due to transient errors or service disruptions, Cloud Tasks ensures eventual completion through configurable retry schedules. Consider a task that needs to be processed by a worker service. Under normal conditions, the task would be successfully executed on the first attempt. However, various factors can cause task execution to fail. Network timeouts, temporary service unavailability, or resource constraints. Cloud Tasks implements an exponential back-off strategy for retries. This means the delay between retry attempts increases exponentially, preventing system overload while allowing time for transient issues to resolve. The initial task attempt occurs immediately. If it fails, the first retry happens after a short delay, typically 1 second. Each subsequent retry attempt doubles the delay period. The second retry occurs after 2 seconds, the third after 4 seconds, and so on. This exponential backoff continues until either the task succeeds or the maximum retry limit is reached. In this example, the task finally succeeds on the 5th attempt. Cloud Tasks allows you to configure retry parameters to match your specific requirements and error tolerance levels. You can configure the maximum number of retry attempts with a default of 100 attempts. The initial retry delay starts at 0.1 seconds, and the maximum delay caps at 1 hour. The backoff multiplier determines how quickly delays increase, defaulting to 2.0 for exponential growth. Tasks also have an age limit of 31 days before permanent failure. Cloud Tasks distinguishes between different types of errors to optimize retry behavior and resource utilization. Transient errors are temporary issues that may resolve themselves over time. These include network timeouts, service unavailability, and rate limiting. Cloud Tasks automatically retries these errors. Permanent errors indicate fundamental problems that retrying cannot fix, such as invalid requests or authentication failures. Cloud Tasks does not retry these errors, preventing unnecessary resource consumption. This intelligent retry mechanism ensures high reliability and eventual task completion while protecting your systems from overload. The exponential backoff strategy balances persistence with resource efficiency, making cloud tasks ideal for mission-critical background processing. Cloud Tasks seamlessly integrates with Cloud Run, Google Cloud's fully managed containerized service platform. This integration enables powerful serverless architectures for processing background tasks. When Cloud Tasks dispatches a task, it sends an HTTP request to your Cloud Run service endpoint. The containerized service processes the task and returns a response, completing the execution cycle. The integration workflow begins when a task is dequeued from Cloud Tasks. An HTTP POST request containing the task payload is sent to the configured Cloud Run endpoint. Cloud Run automatically scales containers based on incoming requests. When multiple tasks arrive simultaneously, additional container instances are created to handle the increased load efficiently. This integration pattern is particularly powerful for microservices architectures. Each Cloud Run service can handle specific types of tasks, creating a distributed and resilient system. The Cloud Tasks and Cloud Run integration provides automatic retry handling, load balancing, and fault tolerance. Failed tasks are automatically retried, while successful completions are acknowledged with HTTP status codes. Cloud Tasks provides enterprise-grade reliability with comprehensive mechanisms to ensure consistent task execution even under demanding conditions. Cloud Tasks maintains a 99.9% uptime service level agreement, demonstrating its commitment to reliable service delivery. The service ensures scalable task execution even in high-load environments requiring auto-scaling, automatically adjusting capacity to meet demand. Cloud Tasks provides advanced error management mechanisms, including configurable automatic retries that ensure task completion even when temporary failures occur. To ensure system reliability, task handlers must be idempotent, meaning they can be executed multiple times without causing harmful side effects or data corruption. These reliability features work together to create a robust task execution environment that maintains high availability and consistent performance under all operational conditions. When tasks fail in Cloud Tasks, the system's retry mechanism automatically attempts to recover and complete the task. However, this introduces a critical requirement. Task handlers must be idempotent. When a task fails during execution, Cloud Tasks does not simply discard it. Instead, the service initiates its built-in retry mechanism to attempt task completion again. The retry mechanism follows an exponential backoff strategy, with increasing delays between retry attempts. This prevents overwhelming the system while giving failed tasks multiple opportunities to succeed. However, this retry mechanism introduces a critical challenge. Since tasks may be executed multiple times, we must ensure that repeated execution does not cause unintended side effects. This is where idempotency becomes essential. Idempotency means that running the same task multiple times produces the same result as running it once, with no harmful side effects. Consider a payment processing task. A non-idempotent handler might add $50 to an account balance each time it runs. If the task retries, the customer gets charged multiple times. In contrast, an idempotent handler checks if the transaction has already been processed. If it finds an existing transaction ID, it simply returns without making changes, ensuring the same final result regardless of retry attempts. The most common approach to achieving idempotency is through transaction ID checking. Each task includes a unique transaction identifier that the handler can use to determine if the operation has already been completed. This mechanism ensures that even if Cloud Tasks retries a failed task multiple times, the handler will only perform the actual work once. If the transaction ID already exists in the system, the handler simply returns success without repeating the operation. By implementing idempotent task handlers with proper transaction ID checking, you can confidently rely on Cloud Tasks' retry mechanism without worrying about duplicate operations or unintended side effects in your distributed system.